So you want eyeballs on your offer, right? You want to start making some money and helping some people, right? You want to quit your job or whatever your goal is? This is the best underground method to do it. So what is how to start a blog for affiliate marketing? Learning how to start a blog for affiliate marketing is one of the smartest moves you can make if you want long-term, stable, beginner-friendly income online. A blog is a digital asset that works for you 24/7, attracting readers, building trust, and generate commissions even while you sleep. Unlike social media posts that disappear in hours, a blog compounds, it grows, it ranks, it builds authority over time. This guide is built for men of facts but rewritten in a clear, simple, friendly way so you can start your blog the right way without overwhelm. How to start a blog for affiliate marketing matters. Most beginners try to build an online business using random social posts, inconsistent content, platforms they don't own, strategies that burn out fast. A blog solves all of that. When you learn how to start a blog for affiliate marketing, you gain a platform you own, a long-term traffic source, a place to build trust, a home for your reviews, a way to rank on Google, and a foundation for every business. See, a lot of people were doing this in the Empower days, but they stopped doing it and started doing other stuff. This always worked. It always will work, okay? And it's a way to have evergreen content. Okay, and we're basing our traffic strategy around this whole thing. Okay, that's why I'm reading from my blog. Okay, because every word I say, not only is it in my blog, but now it's spoken SEO. It's not just written SEO, it's spoken SEO. So I'm compounding. Okay, it's like a snowball going downhill. Nobody's scared of a snowball, but if it goes downhill, by the time you can reach the ground, it can create an avalanche of snow, and it can be very dangerous. Now, this is an avalanche of content. Okay. How to start a blog for affiliate marketing step by step. Choose your platform for how to start a blog for affiliate marketing. There are two main paths. The hard way, this includes usually WordPress, hosting, themes, plugins, security, backups, updates, tech issue, constant maintenance. If you're brand new, this path is overwhelming and slow. The easy way is the badass blog system. It's the way I use. This includes pre-built templates, SEO optimized structure, no plugins, no hosting headaches, no tech overwhelm, no maintenance, no security issues, and no setup confusion. This removes 95% of the friction for beginners. The authority advantage of the badass blog system. This is the main point. This is the part most people never tell you, and it's a real reason beginners succeed faster with the badass blog system. When you start a brand new WordPress blog, you begin at zero. Zero domain authority, zero indexing history, zero trust, zero backlinks, zero topical relevance, zero ranking signals. Google doesn't know you. Google doesn't trust you. Google has no reason to rank you. This is why new bloggers often spend months publishing content with no traffic. You're plugging into a platform, but with the badass blog system, you're not starting from zero. You're plugging into a platform with years of content, years of indexing, years of domain trust, years of topical authority, years of Google familiarity, a proven content ecosystem, a structure Google already understands and trusts. This is a massive shortcut for beginners. You're essentially borrowing authority you didn't have to earn, which dramatically reduces the time it takes to get indexed, get ranked, get eyeballs, get clicks, and get commissions. I've even been ranked on more than one platform on Google and had my Instagram posts ranked more than once on the second page of Google within days, okay, for my blog, and my actual post where I'm telling people about my blog on Instagram has posted at least twice on the first page of Google within days, okay? One time it did it without my video hadn't even posted yet, okay? And my video was ranked on the first page of Google, and so with my YouTube video, and I believe my Instagram post was posted as well. This is what happens when you actually know what you're doing, you stay consistent, and you follow the strategy every single day. Even if you don't see results, you keep going because Google's paying attention, YouTube's paying attention, the algorithm's paying attention. Get indexed, get ranked, get eyeballs, get clicks, get commissions. Smart, right? This is the number one advantage of the badass blog system, and it's why beginners see results faster than on any brand new domain. Pick your niche, step 2, for how to start a blog for affiliate marketing. Your niche should be something you could talk about, something people search for, something with products you can promote. Example, make money online, health and fitness, personal development. Those are the 3 main ones. Tech tools, software reviews, side hustles, but it's something you care about, okay? You don't need to be an expert, you just need to be willing to learn and share and stay consistent. Set up your blog for how to start a blog for affiliate marketing. If you're new using the badass blog system, set up it simple. Choose your template, add your name, add your brand colors, add your logo, publish your first post. If you're using WordPress, setup includes buying hosting, installing WordPress, choosing a theme, configuring plugins, setting up security, fixing error, managing updates. This is why most beginners quit before they ever publish their first post. Write your first post for how to start a blog for affiliate marketing. The most important part is just to do it. And do it consistently, okay? As consistently as you can do it. If you could do it every day, post every day. If you could do it once a week, post every week. Just get started, okay? This is an evergreen method. You don't have to keep posting content over and over and over again, okay? And it's gone within a day or hours, okay? Your first post should be simple, helpful, beginner friendly. The more you do it, the more you start getting traction, the more you start getting subscribers, the more you start getting eyeballs in the offer, okay? And the more you help people, okay? Your first post should be simple, helpful, beginner friendly, clear, focused on solving a problem. Examples: how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner, best affiliate program for beginners, how to choose a niche for affiliate marketing. Your goal is not perfection, your goal is publishing. Step 5, add affiliate links to how to start a blog for affiliate marketing. You can promote tools, courses, software, programs, products, services. Just make sure they are ethical, helpful, beginner friendly, and something you believe in. The secret sauce, right? Your blog becomes your home base for all your affiliate promotions. Publish consistently for how to start a blog for affiliate marketing. Consistency beats perfection. I'm going to say it again. Consistency beats perfection. Aim for 1 to 2 posts per week, clear, helpful content, beginner-friendly explanations, search intent topics. Over time, your blog becomes a traffic machine. How to start a blog for affiliate marketing. Common questions. Do I need to be a writer? No, you just need to be clear and helpful. Do I need to be an expert? No, you learn as you go. How long until I receive results? Blogs grow over time, but the results compound. Actually, if you use Badass Blog, it dramatically, there's people ranking on the first page or the second page or the third page of Google within days, okay? Do I need a niche? Yes, it helps your blog rank faster. Do I need to show my face? No, blogging is perfect for introverts. How to start a blog for affiliate marketing. Final verdict. Starting a blog is one of the smartest moves you can make as an affiliate marketer. It gives you a platform you own, a long-term traffic source, a place to build trust, a way to rank on Google, a home for your reviews, and a foundation for your business. And when you use the Badass Blog system, you're not starting from zero. You're starting with years of authority behind you. That's the shortcut. That's the advantage. That's the difference. My number 1 recommended way to start a blog for affiliate marketing. If you want the easiest, fastest, beginner-friendly way to start your blog, I recommend the Badass Blog system. Here's the link. It removes tech overwhelm, hosting issues, plugin problems, security headaches, setup confusion, and gives you a clean SEO optimized blog, a proven structure, a simple workflow, a beginner-friendly system, a platform you can grow with, and authority you didn't have to earn. If you want to start your blog the easiest way, this is the path. Now watch. This isn't quite ranked yet. You see how it's 72 out of 100? You need 100, and it actually shows you step by step what you need to do, okay? Look at this. Additional 5 errors, so it can get better. Title readability, 1 error. Content readability. It tells you exactly what's good and what isn't, okay? My focus keyword, okay? Now, to show you how easy it is, I'm going to do the last step and then I'm going to publish, okay? And there's another step there too, okay? So I'm going to go to rank math. Oh, sorry. I'm going to go right here. Media library, okay? I already updated this, but I'm going to edit it, okay? So the easiest way to do it is to go right here, okay? How to start.
Absolutely, John. Just simplify.
I don't know why it's listening. Okay. So, edit a snippet. So, I'm going to go to how to start a blog for affiliate marketing. I'm going to copy that because that's going to post most of the time. Boom, boom, copy. Okay. So, now I'm going to go back to my media library. Okay. I'm going to edit this picture. Okay. Is this the one? Yep. Okay. Now, I'm going to put the alternative text, paste, caption, paste, and then it wants a description. So I want to do this the easy way, right? Not the easy way right here. Boom. Copy. Work hard, smart, not hard, okay? Could you do it better, easier? Yes, you could, but this is the easiest way, okay? Now it's going to automatically save that stuff, okay? So now I'm going to go to edit post, right? I'm going to pick a place. Okay, right here sounds good. I'm going to choose a block, and I'm going to add my image, okay? Now watch this go from 72 to 75 at least, okay? Media library, I've already uploaded it. So I'm going to select it. I was missing something though. Now it's 73, but there was something I missed, okay? I'm going to remove this real quick because I missed something. Replace, okay? Open media library, okay? We're going to try it again. Alt text, for some reason it went away. So we're going to paste. How to start a blog for affiliate marketing. Copy. And we're going to take that out. Okay. And we're going to copy it again. Copy. Paste. And then go back to this description, okay? Everything's not perfect, okay? Well. So we're going to go back to this. Maybe I didn't save it. So we're going to go back to this. We're going to copy. Okay. We're going to go back to the description. We're going to paste. And then we're going to select. Okay, now it's 75, right? So I'm going to publish it. And boom, it's up online. So we're going to check real quick. Go to posts. And we're going to go to preview. This should be online though. And there's my how to enter your email name and email address to start blogging, right? Through my link, right? And look, it's online, and we'll see if the picture's there too. There it is. Okay? How cool is that? And it will rank in days, okay? It dramatically decreases days or weeks instead of months or years, okay? So people want to see results, right? You want to see results. So if you want the #1 hack on how to actually get eyeballs on your offer and stand out from the crowd and do things other people aren't doing, and then make a video where you're actually just reading, you don't have to have your camera on, just read the blog, okay? Write the blog and then read the blog, and you're doubling or quadrupling your ability to rank on Google and YouTube and etc. and all the social media platforms. We teach you all these and a lot more in my my #1 recommended program. But this is my #1 recommended blog program, and this is the thing I'm doubling down on, okay? I'm basing everything around my blog, okay? So I'm doing my blog, I'm posting it, I'm posting about it, all my social medias. Then I go the next day, I post my video where I read the actual blog. Again, now I don't have just written SEO content, I have spoken SEO content, and it's paying attention, okay? And then I post about my video. I post my video, make it live, and then on YouTube and whatever YouTube, and then I tell people about it, right? And they get more, and this is just, it all works together, okay? And we teach this and more in on my #1 program. But this is my #1 blogging program, and it's so amazing that I'm basing everything around it. I highly recommend it. It's going to be the secret sauce and for me and my team in 2026. This is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka your friendly neighbor Solid. And if you want a badass blog like this, and the secret sauce to ranking quickly and standing out from the crowd and doing the other people have forgotten about or don't know how to do, then you want to get with me, right? So you would just click on this right here, or click on this right here, okay? I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Don't delay, get what you did today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.